Hi, I'm Lee Peoples. I'm the Education Coordinator here at Sylvan Heights Bird Park.
My name is Kathleen Fleming and I'm the Education Assistant at Sylvan Heights Bird Park. A trip to Sylvan Heights Bird Park is an excellent way to enhance the curriculum that your students are already learning in the classroom. Through hands-on outdoor experiences, children are really able to make that connection to what they're learning into the classroom to what they see in nature.
One of the easiest ways to visit the park with your group is to schedule a field trip. When you come to the park, you can go through different continental exhibits with birds from all over the world. You can visit the landing zone where you can hand feed flamingos or feed budgies from a stick.
You can also enhance your field trip by adding a picture or text scavenger hunt for your students. These scavenger hunts will help your students engage just a little bit more as they're touring the park and they're looking for specific birds or answers to text questions on the signage.
For truly unique hands-on experience when students visit the park, they can participate in education programs. These range from classes based on bird biology, where they see real eggs and feathers and birds up close, to wetland ecology programs, where they actually analyze water samples and identify invertebrates and determine the water quality of a native forested wetland. Our programs are designed for pre-K, elementary, middle school, and high school, and we also have university introductory levels of bird programs for college students as well as continuing education adults.
All of our programs conform to national and state curriculum standards, so you will find that what we're teaching here in our classrooms parallels what you're teaching in the classroom.
This is a great opportunity for our kids to be able to come and experience birds and learning about their habitats and other animals and the importance of saving our environment.
To schedule your group for a field trip or program or to learn more, please call us at 252-826-3186 or email us at education@shwpark.com. You can also visit our website to view full program descriptions and fees.